My fidgets. I'm so sorry. Pop it. I don't care. No, please don't break. Please don't break. When I throw you. I don't want to throw you. I don't want to throw you. Did it break? Let's check. Did it break? Did you break? Did you break? Did you break? You're just dirty. And if it stops by itself, it's because I accidentally did the pause button. Pink pop it. I don't care. I love that I popped it before I even threw it. Please don't say you actually broke ball. Okay. I'm not talking about that ball. Okay. Infinity cube. Please don't break. Please, please, please. I didn't throw it that much because I didn't want it to break. Wacky track. I don't care about you. Tangle. I know you're gonna be fine. Oh my gosh, my Irby stress balls. They're definitely gonna break. Because the grass is sharp. So good. I hope you guys didn't break. Wait. Where's my 6th one? Did I not throw that 6th one?